Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn on the phone button sound on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here's of course you just have to open the settings applications first. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down to turn on the sound of phone. Tap on this sound and vibration options. Now here at the sounds and vibration options, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the tap and click sounds. And to turn it on, you just have to tap on the button beside it. And now when we tap and click at the phone, there are new sounds here guys, like this. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.